Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody asked me tonight, they actually sent me this file, but it's not sharp, crisp lines. And this could be cleaned up. But in about a minute, I drew this logo in its sharp, crisp lines. And I have no clue. I did some measurements. This is like a 10-inch box. And the width of this 8-sided pentagon is 10 inches or 20. But it's not equal because the bottom angle is a lot longer than the sides. I think it's I don't even know, it might be Chase logo. I don't know. It looks like Chase Bank, but I didn't really look at it. So I don't know how I came up with this, but I'm gonna hold down my control button. I've got the rectangle tool. I'm gonna draw a square and I'm gonna change it to 20 inches. I'm gonna hit P and put it in the center of the page. I'm gonna go and get my 2-point line and I'm gonna go from that node to that node. You need to make sure you're on the node. It needs to be dead on. Can't be on the edge. It's got to be on the node. I'm going to take the next rectangle and I'm going to hold down the control button and I'm going to make it 10 inches. I've got my ratio lock so it's equal. I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. Then I'm going to take the virtual segment delete key and delete those lines. I don't really have to do that for what I'm doing, but that's how I kind of looked at it and started out. And I don't know what came to me or how this happened, but I'm going to take that shape right there and I'm going to nudge it over 22 inches, getting out of the way. Now with the pick tool selected, I'm going to mirror that horizontally. Then I'm going to grab this one, nudge it over, and mirror it horizontally. See what's happening? That's why I love the Smart Fill tool. Now this time we need to mirror it vertically. One more time, move it over, get the pick tool, and mirror it vertically. There is that logo, sharp, crisp, clean lines. And what I would do is left click, right click, grab it, and weld it. And now you've got that outline and you can make it any color you want it. Now I mainly do this for laser engraving. Maybe he's doing it for sublimation. But you could even match that color with a couple of different ways. But one of them is just take that color and let's add a little blue, holding down the control button. And then put one back, make it pretty equal. Anyway, I truly hope that helped him a little bit. And thank you for watching.